What are the best 55 plus communities in Hoover, Alabama? There are several. One of the top ones is Primrose, which is located in Everlee. That is one of the newest communities. Another one is Abingdon, and Abingdon is part of Lake Wilborn. People in that age group love the ease of living. These homes have main level living and zero entry showers, extra wide doorways, the typical 55 plus. Another thing that people love about these different communities is the walkability. There's sidewalks, there's amenities, there's usually a swimming pool, and there's activities. If you're in that 55 plus category and you're looking for a home like these, be sure to reach out. I'm happy to show you these beautiful communities.